economic cycles, kind of like stock market cycles, they kind of ebb and flow, but there's actually a rhythm to it. So the beginning of an economic cycle is called an expansion. That's where, companies are really rehiring, they're borrowing more so they can produce more. So there's an expansion in the economy. You get to the top and it's the peak. Okay, generally speaking, that's the best it's going to get. And then you get into the contraction. That's where companies are like, uh-oh, something's not going right here. I'm going to stop hiring. And maybe I'm even going to start laying off. And this starts feeding the unemployment. It starts feeding the wage drop, which isn't happening right now. And then when you get through the contraction and hit the bottom, that's the trough. Once we get through the trough, what happens? Cycle starts over again, right? And now we're going back into an expansion. Well, towards the end of last year, we were just cresting over and we're going into contraction at that point. So at that time, we were looking at a projection of either normal growth, slow growth, mild recession, or normal recession. And between recession and growth, it was like a 50-50 shot. Maybe we go into recession, maybe we don't. So things really weren't looking that bad. And I will tell you this is the longest prep time I can recall in history going into a recession. Usually it's like, oh crap, a recession's here. Everybody kind of pulls back. It's not happening that way. So what has changed over the last 6 months? Where are we in the economic cycle now? Well, we're getting closer to the bottom. Now, but we're not there yet. Now, an interesting thing has happened, though, as time has gone on, and you think about growth versus recession, which one is it going to be? Well, the recession has kind of taken the lead here at a 78% chance we're going to get that recession, which also means there's a 22% chance that maybe we won't. And again, there's new data coming out that's feeding into this. And then the question is, a normal recession or mild? Well, I think we're going to be closer in this area here between slow growth and mild recession, with mild recession kind of hedging right now. So we're constantly watching this, and this is why I'm saying that this has been the longest preparation for a recession that anybody's ever had. And there's a lot of reasons for that.